be my best friend. Text away my weekdays, take up all my weekends. You could be my best friend. Tell me how you.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls TwinGodesses and I'm Alicia. I hope you guys are having a blessed week, but I am back with another unit featuring one of my favorite brands, RpgHair. So if you guys are interested in this unit or any of the products that I'm going to be using throughout the video, definitely check down below in the description area where everything is going to be linked for you. But anyways, I have this brand new unit from RpgHair. It's been a while since I worked with them, so I'm excited to see what they have new in stock. But this is their 9x6 everything lace front unit. You guys can see that the lace is pre-cut, that hairline is pre-tweezed, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-everything, so you don't have to do anything to this unit. It is ready to wear right out the box. And the one thing that I love are these removable combs, because I usually take my combs out of my wigs, but now they have it where you can remove it or keep it on. It also features this anti-slip band that's built inside of the unit, as well as their anti-slip elastic strap, so you do not have to adhere this unit down. But this is the way my unit looked directly out of the box. You do not have to do any pre-styling with this one. It is ready to wear, but I'm going to do some light styling just to get rid of that fresh out of the box look. I just applied a little bit of my 𝐒𝐈 gel to the edges, even though they're already laid. I'm also going to use a edge band just to keep those edges sleek, and I'm going to take my hot comb to lay the front of the unit as well as the top of the unit, and then I'm going to clean up the parting space and add a bit of my waving cream just to keep that frizz at bay.
Text away my weekdays, take up all my weekends. You could be my best friend. Tell me how you secret, show me what you're feeling. You could be my best friend. Text away my weekdays, take up all my weekends. You could be my best friend. Tell me how you secret, show me what you're feeling. You could be my best friend. Text away my weekdays, take up all my weekends. You could be my best friend. Tell me how your secret, show me what you're feeling. You could be my best friend. Text away my weekdays, take up all my weekends. You could be my best friend. Tell me how.
So like I mentioned before, this unit needs absolutely no styling whatsoever, but you can put a little bit of zhuzh on it just to make it your own. But again, like I mentioned, I really love those removable combs that are in the inside, as well as this comfort strap that goes around the ear, making it extremely comfortable to wear. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and get this unit on, and we're going to take a closer look at that lace. So now that I have the unit on, I will say that it is extremely comfortable, but this is not big head friendly. So if you do have a bigger head, I will go up a size. And I love the way the lace lays really flush to my skin, making it extremely natural if you plan on not adhering the unit down. So I do like that. But I do notice that the lace is coming up just a little bit light on me. Now, if you plan on adhering your unit down, it should melt in properly. But if you're not, I would just apply a bit of foundation or lace tinted spray to give you a better match. Now I'm just going to go ahead and play around with those baby hairs just to kind of make it look a little more natural and a little fuller. You can't skip this step because again, the edges are pre-plucked and they look really natural. But I'm going to go ahead and use my elastic band to lay the edges down, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pretty much style the unit on my head just so that it fits my face frame better.
When that's the sign for me, I need somebody. Don't say it to show me. I can never anybody. I want. My one and only. Need you to hold me. 'Cause maybe you just might waste my time. Might get me right. Might change my mind. Maybe you just might get me right. Just might waste my
So this is how those edges are looking now that I removed that elastic band. I also use a little bit of my cream on the hair and it feels so incredibly soft. Here are the angles of the hair. Again, this unit is in a deep wave, 20 inches and 200% density. I am 5'8" and it falls mid back on me. Y'all, I have to say this, the fit of this unit is so good. It's not going anywhere and I don't have it adhered down. And please admire these edges. It's looking really good. I will say that my lace tint spray is looking a little orangey, but nonetheless the unit is fire. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw this hair in a few styles. I always say this in all my videos, but I really would love to know how you plan on wearing your unit. So leave a comment down below so that I know, like, are you going to wear it straight out the box? Are you going to style it? Let me know. I'm absolutely loving this unit. Again, this is RpgHair's 9x6 lace front wig, pre everything, so it is ready to wear straight out the box. Let me know what you guys think of this one and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Don't say